Why just talk about your project? Give your meetings a spark with real-time co-creation. Add Miro to Microsoft Teams and discover an infinite online whiteboard with hundreds of templates ready for planning, brainstorming, diagramming, and more. Pull in files directly from OneDrive. Turn spreadsheets into sticky notes. Then comment and vote on ideas to keep up the momentum. When the meeting ends, your project lives on in Miro, with your board open for business wherever you are. Share it in team channels, or just tag the people who need to see it. The Miro bot for Microsoft Teams will do the rest. You can even sync up the tools you use every day to streamline your workflow. It's time to transform talking into teamwork with the power of Miro and Microsoft Teams.